Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. In our last session, we have discussed about how to measure the length of the object in centimeter, meter and millimeter. Then how to convert centimeter into meter. These are all the topic we have discussed in the last session, children. Now, we will move on to today's session. This is your studio book, page number 137, children. Activity number 6.7, look deep activity. We know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. The length of this caterpillar is 5 centimeter. To find its length in millimeter, should we multiply or divide 5 by 10? What we have to do now? Multiply or divide? Yes, we have to multiply by 10. So, we have to convert centimeter to millimeter means we have to multiply by 10. See here, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 5 centimeter is 5 times of 10 millimeter, which is 5 multiplied by 10 millimeter. It is equal to 5 into 10 is equal to 50. Therefore, the caterpillar is 50 millimeter in length. 5 centimeter is nothing but 5 millimeter. These two are same only. To change the length or height given in the centimeters to millimeter, we multiply by 10. If any number is given, we have to convert centimeter to millimeter means we have to multiply the number by 10. Like that we have to convert centimeter to millimeter, children. Now, studio book page number 138, activity number 6.8. Convert the given lengths from centimeter to millimeter. We have to convert them centimeter to millimeter. We already know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Here 4 centimeter is given. For that we have to multiply by 10. 4 into 10 is equal to 40. So the answer will be 40 millimeter. Next one, 15 centimeter. We have to multiply 15 by 10. We will get 150 millimeter. Then 29 centimeter, 290 millimeter. 37 centimeter, 370 millimeter. Then 63 centimeter, 630 millimeter. Like that we have to convert centimeter to meter, children. Next, companion activity, activity number 6B. This is your home fun. This is your companion book, page number 58, children. Activity number 6B. This is your home fun. Convert the following measures from centimeter to millimeter. We have to convert centimeter to millimeter. Those who are not having companion books, take a screenshot, children. Till this, complete it and upload it in Kenzel app, children. Next, studio book page number 138, 6.9 activity, look within activity. Question number 1. If you could increase the length of any object around you, what would it be? Why? If you want to change any object's length increased, for which object you have to select, you have to write the name of the object. Then why you have to change the length of the object, you have to write the reason also. Second question, if you could decrease the length of any object around you, what would it be? Why? You have to write decreasing of length of the object also. You have to take any object, then write it here, children. This is your wish. You have to select any object for increasing of length, then decreasing of length of any object. Then you have to write the response here. Complete it, upload it in Chrysalis app, children. Next, studio book page number 139, activity number 6.10. Plant A is 4 centimeter and plant B is 5 centimeter. Their growths are measured during weeks 1, 3, 5 and 8. Compare their growth during each time span to know which plant is taller. Write which plant is taller in the last column? One has been done for you. See here, this is plant number A, this is plant number B. For the starting, plant A will be in the 4 centimeter length, plant B will be in 5 centimeter. Then they are taking the measurement in first week, third week, fifth week and till 8th week they are measuring the height of the plant. Then they are measured and write it over here. We have to compare these two plant growth. Then we have to write it here which plant is taller, which plant is smaller. For the first week, the plant A will be 4 centimeter, then the plant B will be 5 centimeter. Comparing these two, see here centimeter, for that they are in the same unit. So we have to compare these number 4 and 5. So 5 is a bigger number, so plant B is taller. Then the third week, plant A will be in 19 centimeter. Here given as 19 centimeter. Plant B will be in 180 millimeter. So that we have to convert 19 centimeter into millimeter. 19 centimeter to, we have to convert it millimeter means we have to multiply by 10. So 19 into 10 we will get 190 millimeter. For this 190 millimeter, 180 millimeter. So plant A will be grow longer. So it will be taller. So write it here, plant A. Then in the 5th week, plant A will be in 310 millimeter. Plant B will be in 32 centimeter. For comparing these two, for that we have to convert it into millimeter. 32 centimeter convert into millimeter means we have to multiply by 10. So 32 will be changed at 320. See now 310, 320. Here these two 320 will be the larger one. So plant B will grow larger. So it will be taller. Right here plant B. For the 8th week, plant A will be in 2 meter. Plant B will be in 190 centimeter alone. For that you have to convert it into centimeter. Meter to centimeter means we have to multiply by 100. So 2 into 100 we will get 200. So 200 and 190 centimeter. These two, plant A will be a taller one. So write here plant A. A will grow taller. Like that we have to convert into meter to centimeter, meter to centimeter and centimeter to millimeter. Then we have to compare two items. Then we have to tell which is taller, which is longer, which is smaller. Like that we have to compare the two measuring. Then we have to find the larger one. Then we will move on to the next activity. Activity number 6.11. Look beyond activity. We use a ruler and measuring tape to measure the length of different objects. Create your own measuring tool to measure the length of various objects around you. For example, here ruler and measuring tapes are given. You have to create one measuring tool. Like ruler and measuring tape, you have to make one measuring tool to measure various objects. Then you have to, after creating a measuring tool, you have to write it here. What is your measuring tool? Then you have to write which are all the items you are measured and write it here, children. Complete it and upload it in Chrysalis app, children. Next, studio book page number 140, children. There is an annual day function at Joe's school. Each group is assigned different tasks. Help them solve the problem. Question number 1. Group A needs to cut 8 ribbons from a roll that is 16 meter long. What will be the length of each ribbon? Divide to find out. For that they are given 16 meter long ribbon. We have to cut it down in 8 equal parts. So we have to we have to share equally. 16 divided by 8 means we have to cut it by 2 meter long, because we have to divide 16 by 8, we will get the answer 2. Therefore the length of the each ribbon is 2 meter. They have to cut the ribbon in 2 meter, children. Next, second question. Group B needs to make flowers. Each flowers needs 15 centimeter of ribbon. How many centimeter of ribbons do they need to make 8 flowers? For that we have to multiply to find the answer, because 15 centimeter of each ribbon for the one flower, they have to make 8 flowers, means we have to multiply both of them. So 15 centimeter multiple by 8, we have to starting over in 1's place, 5 8s are 40. So 0 in 1's place, 4 in the 10's carryover place, 1 8s are 8, 8 plus 4 will be 12. So 120. Therefore, they need a total of 120 centimeter of ribbon. We have to get a 120 centimeter of ribbon to make 8 flowers. Then third question, group C needs to make wall hangings. They need ribbons of 15 centimeter, 13 centimeter and 45 centimeter. What is the total length of the ribbon they need? Add to find out, because they need different 3 long ribbons. For that we have to add 3 items. Next, we have to write the number in correct place values. 15 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 45 centimeter. We have to add now. 5 plus 0 will be 5. 5 plus 5 will be 10. 0 in 1's place, 1 in 10's carryover place. 1 plus 1 will be 2. 2 plus 3 will be 5. 5 plus 4 will be 9. So totally they need 90 centimeter of ribbon. Therefore, they need a total length of 90 centimeter of ribbon. Like that we have to add the centimeters in addition. Fourth question. Group D used 375 centimeter of ribbon from a roll of 500 centimeter to wrap a pillar. How many centimeter of ribbon are they left with? For that we have to subtract to find out the answer. For the subtraction we have to write it in the place value correctly. 500 centimeter in total. Then they are used 375. For that now we have to subtract the given numbers. For that we have to take a borrowing, because 0 minus 5 is not possible. So we will move on to 10's place. Here also 0, it is not getting the number as possible. So we will move on to the 100's place. It will be changed as 4. Then 0 will be changed as 10. For 10 we have to take 1 from 10's place. It will be changed as 10. So 10 minus 5 will be 5. 9 minus 7 will be 2. 4 minus 3 will be 1. So after wrapping, the left ribbon is 125 centimeter. Therefore, they have 125 centimeter of ribbon left. Like that we have to add, subtract, multiple and division of centimeter and units. Like that we have to add, subtract, multiple, divide of units. Same units only we have to use for any operations. Operations means nothing but addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. Different units we can't add, subtract or multiple or division. Same units alone we have to use the operations. Like that we have to multiple, divide, addition or subtraction. Do it in the units, children. Then we will move on to the next one. This will be your companion activity. Activity number 6C. This is your home fun. This is your companion book, page number 59, children. Solve these problems. This is your home fun, 6C. Take a screenshot. You have to do addition, subtraction or multiplication or division. Any operation, use it and solve these word problems. Complete it and upload it in Chrysalis app, children. Next, studio book page number 142, activity number 6.12, think and ink activity. Kushi is setting up the garden. Solve the problem based on her gardening needs. We have to help the Kushi to make a gardening needs. First question, Kushi buys a hose of length 34 meter and cuts out 750 centimeter from it. How much of the hose is left? For this, we have to see the units of the numbers. Here 34 meter is given, here 750 centimeter is given. So, first we have to change the units meter to centimeter. So, 34 meter will be changed as 34 multiplied by 100, it is equal to 3400 centimeter. Now, the total length of the hose will be 3400 centimeter. In this hose, she is cutting down 750 centimeter from it. Then we have to find out how much length of the hose will be left. For this, we have to write the place value 100, 10, 1. For this we have to use the 1000 place value also. So that for that we have to write the number in the place value correctly. We have to use the subtraction operation. Then we have to subtract the values. 0 minus 0 will be 0. 0 minus 5 is not possible. So we have to take a borrowing. It will be changed as 10. 10 minus 5 will be 5. 3 minus 7 will be is not possible. So we will get a borrowing from the thousands value. 13 minus 7 will be 6. 2 here consider as 0. So 2 minus 0 will be 2650. After cutting down of 750 centimeter, she will left with 2650 centimeter length of the hose. Like that we have to find the answer. Next, second question. She needs to hang pots. Each pot needs a chain of 45 centimeter length. How much chain does she needs to hang 3 pots? For that we have to multiply the given numbers. So that 45 multiplied by 3. 5 3s are 15, balance carry over to 10's place, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3, 1 will be 13. So answer will be 135. So she needs 135 centimeter length of the chain. She needs 135 centimeter length of the chain for hanging 3 pots. Next, studio book page number 143, children. Ropes have been tied around 2 plants to support them. If the length of the rope used for one plant is 66 centimeter and 78 centimeter for the other, what is the total length of the rope used? For that we have to add the numbers. For the adding number we have to check whether the units are same. Here also centimeter, here also centimeter. So we have to add the numbers. For that we have to use the place value, tens and ones. 66 plus 78. We have to add in ones place. 6 plus 8 will be 14. Carry over in tens place. 1 plus 6 will be 7. 7 plus 7 will be 14. So total length of the rope used is 144 centimeter. Then fourth question. 5 sticks of equal length have been used to support 5 different plants. Kushi cut them from a long stick of 50 centimeter. What is the length of each stick? For that we have to use the division. Using division, 50 divided by 5 equal to 10. So therefore the length of each stick is 10 centimeter. Like that we have to find the answer. Next, now I can put identify the appropriate units to measure the length of the object. You can use meter, centimeter and millimeter, children. Yes means stick it over there. Measure objects using millimeter, centimeter and meter. Yes means tick it over here. Convert meter to centimeter and centimeter to millimeter. If you are able to convert them means you have to tick it over here. Solve problem based on the length of the object. You can solve by yourself means you have to tick it over there. Till this we are ending up today's session. In this today's session we are discussed about how to convert centimeter to millimeter and word problem based on length of the object. Bye bye children. We will meet on next session.